hope you keep your eyes tuned to the movement right here. Is that a wild sound? Yeah. And so I spit it so sharp. I live it like the realest movie in my own heart. I do it cause the soul will never leave me in dark and never leave me apart. I feel like breaking apart. But really I get held together. I'm swelling up as well. And any weather it can rain, sleet, or hail. Bring it all, baby, we will never fail. Bring it on, cause we bring it. Yeah, and any conversation, anytime we on, we baking. And any kind of audience, yeah, we take them from you. Homie, it's that WyldLyfe, don't do nothing unless your hair's coming. It's a stick up, the beat keep dropping, so we keep popping off the top of the mind. That WyldLyfe freestyle. So how you feel about me, feel about my meats now? Sweat now, don't trip.
Don't trip.
We gonna be right back.
On top.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
On the top, man, let's say. I said, don't trip.
Don't trip.
Don't sweat.
Don't sweat.
Cause we gonna be right back.
Be on top. Stay tuned. Said I hope you stay tuned for this. It's not a nuisance, but make sure you know the science is perfection. Learn the lesson, check it. More life for the final lesson. I won't stop, man. I love my squad. I'm probably gonna ride till I die and reach the sky. Oh God, I say I love all the time. Every night I pray that you'll for why. The weak lullaby moving in the sky. I wonder why the days go by. Wonder why. Instead of praying here, I'm saying like another source. I wonder why, but from the beginning, here it on. The storm, it won't cover me. You had to cover me. Magazine and TV, BET me on MTV. The vision, like forgiving. I'm telling you, it's not a gimmick. Won't forget it. Please go get it. If I don't get it, no, my brother's right with it. I'm right with
They
you.
go forever in this spot, right?
Don't swim and don't stress. Right back. Don't
Part of it.
you better stay tuned. Don't trip. Cause we gonna be right back.
Gonna be right back. Yeah.
Like videos. Let's knock out.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
It's just like that.
Hey,
I want videos.
Hey, Chess, right there. Flip the channel. I'm looking at the dial. I'm looking at your face, baby. Looking at your smile. I'm looking at your eye. I'm looking at your butt. I'm looking at your butt, and I'm looking at you. How ironic it is that we are here right now with this moment, and I know you better. Oh yeah, baby, cause you gon' get back to that channel, and I'm surfing. Know that it's a purpose, going and it's golden. I'm working, and I'm feeling like Jason off the Phillies. Never been silly, looking through it. I'm in your TV guide. I mean, you see me. I got a WyldLyfe shirt. I mean a hoodie, a shirt up under that. Said I got all of the goodies and the colors for you mother suckers. Can't say it's not my brothers, and they never another that do it like this. Sucker, mother, man, not another that can touch us. It's off the top of my head. I'm rhyming like Buster, feeling it up. Look at me now, Mr. Brown. I slap bitch, real quick. And I ain't talking about the female selling like retail. You a nigga know that we can spin it like it's free well. Homie said I see well, and you know I see well with my flow. And better go, and don't sweat, and don't trip. I said we gon' be right back. You better stay sweat, don't trip, don't trip. We gon' be right back. Don't trip, right? Sing a beat.
Suppose they knock out. WyldLyfe rocks, right?
Stay
tuned.
Stay tuned.
Exclusive, baby.
It's exclusive.
Yo, that was all off the top. All y'all believers, check out our
WyldLyfe
YouTube page.
exposed the nation.
I only got